Greetings everyone. I'm Aditya Mankar, a student of Kendriya Vidyalaya Nepanagar, and we, the family of Kendriya Vidyalaya Nepanagar, are excited and happy to tell you that today our school conducted an election for the student council member through EVM and ballot paper. With the permission of our respected principal Omlar Brahmachari sir and with the help of all the teaching staff and the non-teaching staff. Out of all the nominated candidate members for this event, I am a part of it too, as I am nominated as a cultural head of the school, and I hope I win. But like every other candidate, our hearts are pounding in our throat and at an extreme level that no one can imagine. But now, let me give you a verbal tour of both the rooms where the EVM was kept and the ballot paper, a voter sheet, and the stamp were given. Where the EVM was kept, the voters' line was conducted by Karuna Ingle ma'am and Bhimesh sir. The voters' list was inspected by Shivam sir. The voters' mark on the finger were given by Arun Chaudhary sir, and the online EVM ballot was issued by Rahul sir, and the room was under inspection of Bhimesh sir. The second room where the ballot box and the voter sheet were kept. The voters' list was inspected by Amit sir. The voter sheet and stamp were given by Nikhil sir and Mohit sir, and the room was under inspection of respected Riyaz sir. And now, as the elections are over, we are excited and eagerly waiting for the result. And we hope whoever the chosen one is will lead the team with whole heart and with the full information. Thank you.
विद्यालय सावधान, विश्राम सावधान, प्रार्थनावस्था।
सुप्रभात। आज का सुविचार जीवन में असफलता कई बार आती है। इसका अर्थ ये है कि मनुष्य परिश्रम को त्याग दे। सुप्रभात। आज का नया शब्द है सुरमा, अर्थ बहादुर। वाक्य में प्रयोग सुरमा कभी भी बाधाओं के आगे घुटने नहीं टेकते। धन्यवाद।
सुप्रभात। आज के समाचारों में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय समाचार।
सुप्रभात। आज के विशेष कार्यक्रम के अंतर्गत मैं आपको तुलसीदास जी के जीवन परिचय बताना चाहती हूँ। तुलसीदास जी का जन्म सन 1532 में उत्तर प्रदेश के बारा जिले के राजापुर गांव में हुआ। जागे सबके प्राण। संस्कृति को दी दिशा, भक्ति का भाव सिखाया। तुलसी की लेखनी ने जन जन को हर्षाया। धन्यवाद एवं आपका दिन शुभ हो। सुप्रभात। आज हमारे विद्यालय से हर्षवर्धन युग अपना जन्मदिन मना रहे हैं। हम उन्हें जन्मदिन की हार्दिक बधाइयाँ देते हुए उनके लिए जन्मदिन गीत गाएंगे। मैं माननीय प्राचार्य महोदय से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे स्टेज पर आए और इन्हें आशीर्वाद सहित कार्ड प्रदान करें।
और एक बार और एक बार।
Thank you for celebrating my birthday. My name is Hasmadan Labnali. I study in class 4. I want to become a businessman. Thank you.
परम आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय, शिक्षक वृंद और नवनियुक्त विद्यार्थी परिषद और प्यारे छात्र छात्राओं, आप सभी का आज विद्यालय विद्यार्थी परिषद के अलंकरण समारोह में हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन। जैसे कि भारतीय परंपरा है, दीप प्रज्वलन महत्वपूर्ण है। बिना दीप प्रज्वलन के कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत नहीं की जाती है। तो ईश्वरीय वंदना के लिए, माँ शारदे की वंदना के लिए मैं प्राचार्य महोदय, कोहली सर और विद्यार्थी परिषद के कप्तान को आमंत्रित करता हूँ। कृपया माँ शारदे पर माल्यार्पण कर दीप प्रज्वलन करें और माल्यार्पण करें।
Good morning, respected principal sir, esteemed teachers and my friends. I am Asal Mande. Today, as I stand before you as the second head boy of Archangel Vidyalaya, I am filled with sense of immense pride and responsibility. This investiture ceremony is not about the badges and titles. It's about a compliment to uphold the values and tradition of our school. After being a part of this lovely Kendra Vidyalaya for more than a decade, I will try my best to bridge gaps between students and administration, and together with the council members and all of you, I am confident that we can achieve remarkable achievements. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers, and the student body of Kendra Vidyalaya Nepal. Today, on this August gathering, I would like to quote Nelson Mandela. The youth of today are the leaders of tomorrow. This powerful line captures the essence of student council of the Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan. Year on year, the student council of Kendra Vidyalaya has provided students with innumerable opportunity to develop the leadership quality and the hand-holding support of our mentors while organizing events around the year and strengthen the confidence and the self-esteem of student leaders. It is said that the leaders can be called great not because they are powerful, but because they can empower others. We are fortunate to have our mentors, very best and excellent leaders, our principal sir, whose foresight, guidance and teaching remain constant source of encouragement all of us. As I pledge to fulfill my duties of being a head of the Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, I take the opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to all my mentors who have shown immense faith in me. I would also like to congratulate the newly members of Student Council and the Club of Theatre. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.